Ano ang training na ginawa niyo for Lovey?
Mas extensive ang training ni Lovey dahil kailangan niya mag-undergo ng horseback riding lessons. Then may scene siya na mangangabayo siya without the saddle and everything. So mahirap na mahirap yung gagawin niya. I mean, ginawa niya, nakapag-shoot na sila. And it's tawag dito, rigorous training for her. May mga pekret pa nga siya. Pero for me, it's more on the physical side where I have to look a little thin for my character. Kasi Andres Bonifacio, during his time, bata pa siya, tsaka payat. He was not so tall, dark, and kind of thin. So I have to maintain that. I have to make sure na, uy, sakto, after the holidays na so medyo lumaki ako. So I have to maintain that physique for the continuity of the character. So yun ang training na ginagawa. I have to make sure na ganun pa rin yung itsura ko.